Hello, and welcome to the Rutgers School of Graduate Studies podcast series. These podcasts will provide some insight into and answer questions about our medical, dental, and biomedical graduate programs.
Hi everyone, this is Doreen Badeka, Assistant Dean in the School of Graduate Studies on the Newark Health Science campus of the Rutgers Biomedical and Health Sciences. I am joined here by my colleagues, and we are here to talk about our master's program. Our master's program has the Medical Scholars Track, the Dental Scholars Track, as well as the Biomedical Research Scholars Track, and it is designed to prepare students, strengthen their profile, and be more competitive when applying for medical school, dental school, physician's assistant school, podiatry school, and other health-related professional schools, as well as PhD programs and careers in pharmaceutical and biotech industry.
Hello, I'm Krista Blackwell, an Assistant Dean in the School of Graduate Studies and the Director of the Medical Scholars Division of our Master's Program. I'm also an Assistant Professor in the Department of Pharmacology, Physiology, and Neuroscience in the New Jersey Medical School.
Hello, my name is Vincent Chiagbe. I'm the Assistant Dean for the Pre-Dental Programs at the School of Graduate Studies on the Newark campus. I'm also an Associate Professor in the Department of Oral Biology of School of Dental Medicine. I conduct research on tumor immunology and periodontal disease immunology.
We, here on the Newark Health Science campus of the School of Graduate Studies, we have a very close partnership with our medical school as well as our dental school. And Vincent, Krista, if you want to talk more about the opportunities offered by this close-knit relationship.
Yeah, our program is one of the few programs like this in the country. And we actually offer classes to graduate students with the dental students in the same setting. You take the labs, everything together, which is a big selling point for students who are trying to get into dental school. In fact, we have 6 classes which constitute this. We have the dental physiology, we have dental biochemistry, dental neuroscience, dental histology, and oral microbiology and oral immunology, which is a class I direct. And because of this, your application is rated very highly because you have a real-time experience with the dental students. Also, this gives you an opportunity to demonstrate your strength. Now, in our program, we also offer guaranteed interviews. So if you excel in the program, after 20 credits, you have a GPA of 3.70, a DAT score total science of 20, average of 20. Or if you're an international dentist, you pass the national boards, parts 1 and 2 on first take. Our school will guarantee an interview for you. It does not mean you get in, but it guarantees an interview for you. And that's a big selling point for our program.
Absolutely. Thank you, Vince, for explaining that. Krista, do you want to talk about our similar partnership with the medical school?
So the graduate school is uniquely located in New Jersey Medical School building. So all of the classes that our students take are in the medical science building where they are alongside the medical students and they see them every day. So in addition to the location of a medical scholars program, our courses are taught by New Jersey Medical School faculty, and our students are able to take core courses that will prepare them for medical school. In addition to our courses, we also have a guaranteed interview for our medical scholars. Once our students complete 20 credits in the program with a GPA of 3.6 or higher, and they have an MCAT score that has an equal breakdown of 127 on each section, our students will be guaranteed an interview at New Jersey Medical School.
Thank you, Krista. And you brought up a very good point that we are located right in the medical school. And I want to stress that point for students who are interested in research careers that join our Biomedical Research Scholars Track. You have an opportunity to do cutting-edge research with the faculty in the medical school or the faculty in the dental school. And you can also take some of the select courses with the PhD students and prepare for a career in PhD or for research-related career after your master's in the industry. Another very interesting aspect of our master's program is that students in the program, if they choose to, can get a concentration in pharmaceutical science, neuroscience, oral biology, or stem cell biology. And in fact, many of our students have gone on to get dual concentration. So you could have concentration in pharmaceutical science as well as a concentration in stem cell biology. Upon graduation, students who have completed the requirement for one or more of these concentrations receive a certificate, and the concentration also appears on the student's transcript.
Well, the volunteering opportunities in the dental school are varied. We have opportunity to participate in a cancer walk, which goes through the Newark campus. They screen patients who have oral cancer, and they go with the pathologist in the dental school. And I think Krista will talk about the volunteering in the Medical Scholars Program also. But in addition, also, you have an opportunity to participate in the clinic, do observership. You know, you pay a minimal amount of money and you have a full 2-day observation in the clinic.
And Krista, do you want to tell us about the volunteering opportunities offered for students in our Medical Scholars Program?
Our students have an opportunity to serve as standardized patients for our medical students when they're taking structured clinical exams. In addition to this opportunity, our students are also able to volunteer in the emergency department and work with high school programs that focus on health awareness in Newark Public Schools, such as Project Beam. In addition, we also have tutoring opportunities through Arts High School and other opportunities that allow students to tutor at Science Park High School, another neighboring Newark Public School right across the street from our campus.
Thank you, Krista. And I do want to point out, when we mention these vast amount of volunteering opportunities available to our students, the opportunity to obtain concentrations, as well as the option to do research, our students receive one-on-one advisement from all three of us right here, the track directors for the medical scholars, the dental scholars, and the biomedical research scholars track. We help our students navigate through the sea of opportunities that is available to them so they can have a strong academic background as well as a mix of extracurricular activities, which puts them on a strong footing when they're applying for medical school, dental school, PhD programs, and even jobs in industry.
We hope this podcast gave you a general overview of our master's program. In our next podcast, we'll give you more detail about the academic life of our students at the Newark Health Science Campus.
Thanks for listening. For more information about the medical, dental, and biomedical graduate programs at the Rutgers School of Graduate Studies, please visit our website, njms.rutgers.edu/SGS.